Hello, Juliet.
Hi.
No, been a while since we've seen each other,
Yeah.
actually. You were up at the farm maybe 3 years ago, something like that. And we did a bit of work to the van, which is still looking nice. It's looking good. But life's changed a wee bit.
Yeah.
You do sort of different things with the van now. The seats are now kind of a more important thing for you.
Yeah.
We had them out before, and we had bikes on slides and things out the side door. But kids are coming with you now. More adventures with them. So we're gonna switch things up and make it a bit more usable for you again.
Awesome. I'm super excited to see what you're going to do.
Cool. So we're gonna loan you one of our vehicles
Great.
till tomorrow morning. So you can put your bike in here, trip over to Aberfoyle or
Yeah,
wherever
that
you're
sort of
going. So you can go and have fun while we work on the other van.
Sounds
But
great.
then this is the one that you're gonna borrow.
Ooh.
So kind of similar to the setup that you have in yours at
Yeah.
the moment, but this is a short wheelbase one.
Yeah.
So a little bit more drivable for you, kind of knocking about during the day. We've got the bike system in here from Loaded Bikes as well. So your bike can go in, same mounts and stuff as you have in your old setup and that you'll have in your new setup. So kind of same. But yeah, so this is yours till tomorrow.
Whoa.
It's a bit different.
Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God, it's so good.
Cool. So
Oh, seriously?
you had a bike slide that was coming out the side door last time,
Yeah.
but then obviously seats have gone back in, kids traveling with you a lot. So we've redesigned a bike slide and made a brand new one yesterday, which we're going to be offering to people as a retrofit. They can purchase this if they've already got our turret and bed system. But this functions with the bed system. So
Yeah.
the bed system can slide out over and on top of
Wow,
this.
that is so cool.
So single bed and single bench, but you can also
Yeah.
set it up
Oh,
as
so I can just sleep like that
you
tonight.
can sleep like that, yeah, but then just you'll have your bike tonight.
Yeah.
So your bike can go where my
Just move
bike
it
is,
over and-
move it over this way, then the bed system can extend out and you can get a full double bed with your bike. Storage
Wow.
drawer for all bike tools and bike
Yeah.
paraphernalia under there. And then all of this comes out
Woo!
over all the puddles. Obviously it's bike slide as well. But if you've got a single bike slide, single bike on there, you can have toolboxes and you can work on your bike while it's all racked out. All your tools can be stored in here. It's
I just want to move into my van now. I'm not going home.
You don't need to go home. But yeah, you've got a couple of days riding up here anyway,
Yeah,
so you
yeah.
get to fully test it and
Yeah.
find out exactly how it works and move everything for you. So we also gave you our sort of new offering as well, the Black Hex walls, which are really hard wearing and versatile, especially for bikes. Like you can get them muddy, just wipe them down. So kind of like an alternative to the natural offering that we do. We've replaced the roof as well.
Oh wow, yeah.
So it's same, different. We replaced your lights actually as well.
Oh my God, I love it.
You happy?
Thank you so much.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm
Well,
a bit overwhelmed actually.
That's all right. Yeah, it is the same van, but yeah.
And look at this as well.
Yeah, so we've got the Black Hex contour designs on the rear panel as well, and the bungee here. So you can hang lights and stuff
Yeah.
off the back. So if you're working on the bike, you still got all of that to play with.
It's
Nook board on the
oh
wall.
my God, it's so good. Yeah.
Storage for all the bike wheels and gear and paraphernalia. Also big cowabunga on this side. You can roll up like blankets and things and keep them up on the side. That's also a nice backrest when you're sitting on the bench seat as well. So let's slide all this way.
It is so much more practical than my last van.
Yeah.
Because the last one, I felt like I was driving around this giant van,
Yeah.
but not really making the best use of the space. So
Yeah.
I was still kind of just chucking stuff everywhere. And like in a long wheelbase, you feel like it could be better used and you've just
Yeah.
completely nailed it.
Yeah, nice. It's really good to have created something like bike centric, but also with the 6 belted seats.
Yeah.
And the ability to sleep 2 people, no problem at all, and carry all the bikes. All the bikes.
Thank you.
And you also have your table.
Ooh.
So that's a little thing there. Table is here.
Oh, wow. That's so cool.
And the table leg. Nice relaxing area,
Yeah.
L-shaped seating, access from the back, and the bike's still in the van. And do this.
Oh, that's nice too.
Yeah, so if that seat's out, then you can get through traffic into there. You can have this set up as an L shape that way,
Ideal.
and then have your table in the middle as
Yeah.
well. Just gives like proper versatility. That's very good. Say you're not going away on a biking weekend and you've not got the bikes in. So the bike tray doesn't really function as a bike tray, but
Yeah.
it's now a false floor with
Yeah,
storage
right.
underneath it.
Yeah, ideal. Mega.
And full width bed. And then so the bike slide then doesn't slide out because the bed's sitting on it,
Uh-huh.
but you've still got access to your big
Oh, yeah.
storage drawer underneath.
Smart.
There is a little flip down table as well.
That's good.
So that if you're cooking or anything on top of here,
Yeah.
you've still got access into this space.
Oh,
like
that's
that.
clever.
And then that just pulls up like so.
I need the pasta that's been in there for like 3.5 years.
Oh, really? Was that dinner tonight? No. So yeah, 3 sections to slide away. And that's you all set up.
All right.